Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pickle kit. First, select crisp, fresh cucumbers, ideally 3 to 4 inches long. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids thoroughly to prevent spoilage. Then, prepare your pickling brine by combining water, vinegar, and pickling salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, ensuring the salt fully dissolves. This initial preparation is crucial for safe and delicious homemade pickles. Now let's prepare the star of our kit, the cucumbers. Wash them thoroughly and trim off both ends. You can leave them whole, slice them into spears, or cut them into chips depending on your preference. Tightly pack the prepared cucumbers into your clean jars. Then add your chosen pickling spices such as dill, garlic cloves, and mustard seeds directly into each jar for maximum flavor infusion. With your cucumbers and spices in place, it's time for the brine. Carefully pour the hot pickling brine over the cucumbers, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Use a non-metallic utensil to gently remove any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the jar rims clean, then center new, sterilized lids on top. Finally, screw on the bands until they are fingertip tight, preparing them for processing. To ensure your pickles are shelf-stable, process the sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 10 to 15 minutes, adjusting for altitude if necessary. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed for 24 hours. Check that each lid has sealed properly. It should not flex when pressed. Store your homemade pickle kits in a cool, dark place. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals to enhance your everyday comfort. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.